guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith Afahaene. If you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. Please do well to like this video if you enjoy it. Drop your comments in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're not new here, hey boo, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is outfit ideas for different occasions. So I picked 12 outfits I'll wear to these 12 occasions, and I'll be modeling the outfits. I'll let you know where I got some of these outfits from, and please let me know your favorite outfits in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. My first outfit idea, this is a black short silk gown. This was thrifted. I paired it with this red bag and a white shoe. This is what it looks like behind. I'll wear this out for a romantic dinner date, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. Outfit, I'll wear this to a cocktail party. This is a white silk gown again. It was thrifted. I paired it with the same red bag and the same white shoe, and this is what it looks like. My third outfit idea, I'll wear this to a red carpet event. This, you guys know the vibe on the red carpet, doing too much. It's obviously doing too much around the hand and a little detailing around the neck. This was sewn, and this is what it looks like. So I paired it with this white bag and the same white shoe, and yeah. This is my fourth outfit idea. This is a pink long gown. This was thrifted. It was invited to a wedding. I wear these, and I paired it with this black bag and the same white shoe, and this is what it looks like behind. Idea on my list is this outfit, and I'll wear this to a meeting, like a corporate meeting thing, maybe meeting at work. I would definitely wear this, and I will take the jacket off later. So this skirt was sewn, and this singlet was a gift from my friend. This blazer was thrifted. So I paired it with this white bag and the white shoe. So this is what it looks like. So this is my next outfit idea. I switched the skirt to trouser, and I would wear this to work. This white trouser was thrifted. I paired it with the same bag and same shoe again, and this is a closer view of what I look like. So if I had a 9 to 5 in this oil company, I would wear this to work. This is my next outfit idea, and I'll wear this for Saturday errands or going shopping. Pair these with the slippers, and I opted for a long gown handbag because I would want to be very comfortable. I won't want to be like disturbed and all of those stuff. So yeah, this gown was a gift on my birthday from a friend, and this is what it looks like. So this is super comfortable for errands, Saturday errands, super comfortable for shopping, and probably going out with friends as well. Who knows? Idea is this outfit I would wear to school. I paired these black bodysuits, a symmetric bodysuit with this palazzo jean. This is what it looks like down, and with the slippers and the same bag. I want to be super comfortable in school, and school is always so hot, so I want something weather appropriate. And yeah, so again, this bodysuit was thrifted. This is what I look like. So this is my next outfit idea, and I'll wear this to club. I wear the same palazzo trouser with a different top, and I got this top from a brand online. This is not thrifted. Paired it with the same white shoe and black bag. So this is what I look like. Idea on my list. I wear this to sit out with my friends. I pair this with the slippers and this bag. Super comfortable. Again, none of these outfits was thrifted, and yeah. This is the second to the last outfit idea on my list, and I'll wear this to church. This was sewn, pedals with black bag, white shoe. So yeah. So this is my last outfit idea for this video, and I'll wear this for a fashion show. I paired this corset top with these leggings. Thrifted, these two were thrifted, white bag and white shoe, and this is what I look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys love this video. Let me know which outfit is your favorite in the comment section down below, and where you would personally wear these outfits to. Meanwhile, if you have not seen my how to look expensive in thrift video, I'm going to link it in the description box below. Please do well to check it out. I shared my shopping tips in this video. Most of these tops I wore were thrifted, and you wouldn't believe it. I mean, if I don't tell you, you won't know. So I shared tips and tricks in that video. Check it out. Please like, share and subscribe. It will mean so much to me. It will give me the grace, the strength to put in more effort in making videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're going to wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not going to stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it!